Hey everybody, how's it going? This is Fred Levi. I wanted to bring this video to you guys. I know it's been a while since I've been on YouTube, but I wanted to go ahead and send this guy to you guys so we can go ahead and talk about the Section 609 dispute letters. Now I know there's a lot of buzz with the Section 609 dispute letters, and a lot of people want to get this done. I do run my own successful credit repair company. Prove my score. I'm the VP of Sales here. And I wanted to go ahead and maybe help some of you guys out there who are looking at trying to get the work done for them that don't want to necessarily do it for themselves. So if you guys are interested in doing something with the Section 609 letter, what I wanted to bring was an easy way for you guys to go ahead and get the credit repair done for this tactic. And this is basically how it's going to work. Basically, it's sort of a outsourcing service that I'm going to offer to you guys. Not as a credit repair, because I don't use this strategy per se, but just for those who want to test it out and see how it works. And this is how it works. So basically, you'll go to my website, approvemyscore.com. You'll click on the button that says Order Credit Report. Once you have the credit report, you can send me the information for your login. And what we'll do is we'll go ahead and prepare the letters for you. And all you'll need to do is print the letters and send them. You'll mail them to the bureaus after you get them notarized. And that's how it will work. We'll do this once every 30 days so that you can get the dispute letters out to the bureaus in a timely fashion. They can go ahead and do their investigations and get back with you. And this will be $50 per round. So it's up to 4 rounds of dispute letters, and then you could take it from there. So you'd be looking at about $200 maximum if you go through the full 4 rounds. And if that's something that you guys are looking to do, please comment below. We'll go ahead and take care of that for you. Get these dispute letters printed, written out for you in a professional manner. So if you guys have any questions or comments, please comment below. I'd love to hear what you guys think about it. Again, $50 per round. There's 4 rounds, so it's up to about $200 if you go the full 4 rounds. So with that being said, again, this is Fred Levi. I'm the VP of Sales here to Prove My Score. If you guys are interested in this service, please let me know. Thanks.